Hi, I'm Spencer, an expert builder at Naologic, and today I'll be explaining the publish persistent event function. Let's get started.
The publish a persistent event function is used as part of an action workflow. This function works in conjunction with the capture persistent event function, allowing the event data to be retrieved as a snapshot for future use. To add this function to your action, locate the action you want to customize, hover over it, and press Edit. Inside the editor, click Add Function, then click on the header of the newly added function. In the search bar, type Publish a persistent event and select it. To set it up, you will need to send the data to a specific action, which you will have to name. Once configured, click Save Changes. This will publish the persistent event, making the data available for use in future workflows. That's the end of our tutorial on the Publish a persistent event function. You can check out our other documentation videos or reach out to the team and me with any recommendations for future help articles to help speed up your workflow.